Welcome to Tips and Tricks for June 2024, this month. A look at UnForm.Cloud Level 4.
UnForm Cloud Level 4 includes all of the UnForm components, from document production, document archiving, document image manager, and DocFlow. DocFlow is the application that allows you to route documents for approvals and signature captures. Those flows are configurable based on whatever your particular requirements are. One of the typical flows that our customers ask for is related to expense type invoices. So typically those are routed to folks prior to payment. So it could be based on a department, could be based on the dollar value, or combinations of those things. So as a document comes into a flow, in this example, again, we're looking at an expense invoice, and this flow is built around the dollar value of that. So as the dollar value of the invoices go up, they have to go to different people for approvals. So as this comes into the flow, and this one, the controller would receive an email, could click on that email and it would open up their flow. From there, they can review the document. They can add attachments if they need to. So if there are notes or emails that they want to add to help, explain the situation, they can do that. You can add notes here as well that get carried through the flow. And then the actions, this is the configurable area. So within here, you can configure it based on whatever the steps are that you need to follow. So this one, you can approve it. You can indicate that it needs to go to this GL account number. And then from there, they'd save it and forward it. And you'll note that it switched from the controller to accounting. So it was approved, and then accounting receives an alert that this one's ready to process and pay. Note too that we've logged and tracked what's happened to that document since it's been in the flow. So if you need to complete audit trail, it's there. And also you can set alerts too. So if something was to stay in a flow for too long, you can alert somebody that, hey, someone needs to take action on this to get this thing moving along. So the goal here is to make routing those documents simple and easy. It helps ensure compliance, and you don't lose all that paper that's getting shuffled back and forth.
Thank you, Paul. To learn more about UnForm.Cloud and which level is best for you, email sales@synergetic-data.com or phone 800-446-7374. If you have suggestions or comments about future tips and tricks, please send them to Dan Schmitt at dans@synergetic-data.com. For UnForm Tips and Tricks, thank you. We are looking forward to seeing you again next month.